is Sharlonda Buckman of the Detroit Parent Network. Hi, Sharlonda.
Hi, Rochelle. How are you?
I am great. We've worked together on a lot of things, but you have even more things happening because you're celebrating an anniversary.
Absolutely, absolutely. Detroit Parent Network has been around servicing and supporting parents for 10 years now. We were founded in 2002 and intentionally by parents and with the support of the Skillman Foundation to get parents more involved with their kids' education. We focus on helping parents and primary caregivers actually get more involved within their communities, within their homes, and within their children's schools. So education is a key focus for us. We provide lots of support, parent support groups, parenting classes, we do policy advocacy, we have a lot of organizing in the community, knocking on doors to get parents aware of the services and supports available to help their kids be successful in school. But our primary focus has been education, and so we developed this program called Project Graduation, which is intent on helping parents become what we call the nagger. When you talk to a lot of kids that have been successful at going to college, one of the things that they will say to you is that there was somebody there that was just pushing them and supporting them and encouraging them and believing in them. And we believe that person should be the parent, and so we're equipping them with a lot of tools and support to understand the importance of filling out FAFSA forms. We are including them in college tours for many parents who have never been to college to help expose them, and we've had parents actually go back to college themselves, which is one of the best demonstrators for young people in terms of furthering their education. We also have those same parents coming back and serving as coaches in the Project Graduation program, coaching other parents, making sure they, in the midst of a lot of things our families are faced with, don't lose sight of the fact that education is a key game changer for our young people.
Absolutely. Now, as a nagger who was raised by a nagger, I understand the importance of parents. For people who are trying to figure out how to make things better in Detroit, the big criticism is about parental involvement. Right. How many parents are you working with now?
Well, last year we served 25,000 parents over 9 parent resource centers, many of which are in Detroit Public Schools, but we have a new center that we're opening up that's a citywide training, support, and resource center. So we're really excited about that. One of the things that's important to know about Detroit Parent Network is that we don't choose for parents. We support parents who choose traditional public schools, public charter schools, whether it is a private or parochial school. It's about what parents choose for their kids, and we're working with them to use good data to make a good choice as to where to invest their kid in school, and then being creative about their involvement.
Now, I don't have to ask you whether this can happen in Detroit, but what I do want to ask you is what will make things even better in this coming year? What do you need most?
I think that one of the things that we fight for every day is to make sure that parents continue to prioritize our children's education, to recognize that as a community our children's fate is intertwined, and so it's important that for many of the parents who are involved to grab hold of those who are not, to get more involved, and to not just look out for your kids, but to make sure that you're advocating for every kid.
Child. That's
Absolutely.
Exactly right.
Absolutely.
And I'm so glad that you do that every day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rochelle.